But I feel you, young man. You know, sir, I need to speak to Madagungo.
Yes, my lion, you're at the right place, madam. Just straight ahead. Can't miss it. Yeah, man. Right, straight ahead. Boy. Madagungo can't tell me nothing, you know. She make 25,000 already, you know. And see she have another year that 25,000 more again, you know. She can't tell me nothing like what she tell me down a Montego Bay last week, you know. What a thing, boy, I never know a Rasta man go be a woman. Wait, little more, she can't tell me nothing.
Stop right this one, my brother. Stop right this one. Oh my God. Spin a road, spin a road, spin a road. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, come inside. God. Look how you look tired, my brother. Look how you look tired. Oh
tired and frustrated, mother.
Stand up there, sir. Stand up there, sir. Oh my God. Oh.
Tired and frustrated.
Oh God.
God help me soul, mother. Come.
I can't see it, you see? But they can't come in here when me in here.
Yes, mother.
They can't come in here.
No, mother.
No, they can't follow you come in here. Oh no, come out! Ha!
Yes, mother.
I can feel it. Alright, you see?
Yes, mother.
Young man, look at me.
I'm looking at your mother.
Lend me a hand, lend me a, give me a, give me a.
We shouldn't hand them forgive you, mother.
Just the right one. I hold on to the hand, my brother.
Alright, mother.
Oh my God. Me pitney, look what them a do you here.
Bad.
Lord of His mercy. Oh my goodness. I can feel it. Look at the woman we are showed it. Your neighbor, you know. Your neighbor do this. She threw the thing right beside your fence. And you never know. I'm going to walk over it.
Jesus God, Mother Gongo. You're the nail pan the head, Mother Gongo.
You never know I'm going to walk on it, my son.
Yes, Mother Gongo.
But I'm going to fix our business.
Fix it. Fix it up for them, Mother.
Look on your baby mother and you. Look on the man. Look on a nice young man like you. And look what the man shag you born with it. Oh,
born, Mother Gongo. You lick the next nail, Mother Gongo. The next nail, lick, Mother Gongo. You lick the next nail.
I can't feel it, my brother. I can't feel it.
Yes,
but don't worry. But you want me to kill her?
No, I don't want to sin up on my shoulder.
Alright, my brother. I'm going to fix our business. Alright, just no worry yourself. I'm going to fix our business. And normally I charge 100,000, you see?
Yes, madam.
But I'm not going to charge you so much. Yes. I'm going to charge you 50. You have the money?
I have it, Madagunga.
You have the...
I will give more than that, Madagunga. More than that, Madagunga.
Alright, no problem, my brother. No problem.
You see me on a sweat, Madagunga, from me coming
no
here, the spirit can't follow me.
No problem. No say a word, me I read you. Me not done read you yet, alright. Me I go call Bob Marley now. If he deal with this case, him gonna sing.
Call him.
He's gonna sing through me, you understand?
Yes, Madagunga.
Won't you help me sing, Bob Marley? These songs are freedom. Free me
up, Madagunga. Free me up, Madagunga. Free me. Free me, Madagunga. Free me, Madagunga.
Freedom.
More you free me out of the Babylon.
Freedom. I went call the doctor now for inject you, see? You will get some medicine inside of you. You won't feel it, but the doctor is here beside you. You cannot see. But
I will feel.
The doctor is here.
I will feel.
He's gonna give you some medicine in your body now.
Yes, Madagunga.
So Dr. Carmen, I would like you to inject this young man for me, please. Yes, work it out. You finish? Alright. We will give you a surgery too, you see? We will give you a surgery. You won't feel anything. You cannot see surgery. Yeah, me know you're Rasta.
Surgery.
You don't know. Alright, the mother is here.
Yes, Madagunga. I feel the Madagunga.
Anquelos. I want you to give this man a surgery right now. Take out all of the bad things then that them put in him.
Take it out, Madagungo, take it out. Take it out.